Next module is Download Center. The first option is to upload content. Here you can upload any content for students. Just enter the content title and content type. Fill all other information and lastly attach a file that you want to upload. It can be a video or any readable content. Just to show you an example, we will upload any image from the gallery and save it. Now, you can find this uploaded content in the same content type. In our case, it was assignments. Now as you can see, here it is in the bottom, the assignment that we uploaded, and you can even download this file. Similarly, you will find the uploaded content into different options, according to where you put them. If it is any random file, you can put it into other downloads section. The next module is Homework. Click on Add Homework option under it. Here you can search the homework by the class, section, and subject. And you can give more homework to students by clicking on this Add button. Now fill all the necessary information and attach the homework file with it. Finally, you can write some description about it and save it. The homework will be sent to the desired students. To evaluate the homework, click on this 3-line icon. Now you can tick the student's name to evaluate them, and you can even give them remarks in the boxes below. Finally, you set the evaluation date and save it. Other action buttons for editing, downloading and deleting the homework works same as previous screens. Next option is Live Classes. Click on it, and go to Create Online Class. Here you can search the scheduled live classes. To do that, just select the class, section, and subject and click on Search. Now you can see all the scheduled classes with all their details below. To schedule a class, you have to click on this Add button. Now you can select if you want this class on the Jitsi app, Zoom, Google Meet or the GeoMeet application. Jitsi is the default one, so let's select it first. Then select the class, section, subject, all the dates, and timings. Then select if it is a recurring class and give class permissions to students. Finally, save it. And there you go, your class is successfully scheduled. You can search that class from the Search Criteria section. Now, as you can see, here is our scheduled class. Now click on Start Class. The new screen will look something like this. Here you can invite other users, turn on and off your mic and camera. You can access other features by clicking on this 3 dots icon. Scroll it up to see more options. The first option is to select the sound device. You can switch between phone and speaker. The next option is to invite someone. Then the next one is to enable low bandwidth mode. You can enable it when you don't have a strong internet connection, and it will give you better quality. You can also disable it whenever you want. The next option is to raise your hand, and you can press this option before interrupting any conversation. The next option is to enter the tile view, and this helps you to see all the participants in the tile format. Remember that if you want to record your class sessions, you can use any screen recording app and it will save your recordings in your device. The next option is to start live stream. Here you can sign in with your Google ID or enter live stream key, and easily start the live stream. Next option is for you to share the YouTube video. Here you can paste any YouTube video link and share it with students. Using the next option, you can add a password to your class, so that participants will need a password to join the live class. If you face any issues using these features, you can go to the help option in the last. You can chat with other participants using this chat box icon. And one more cool thing is that you can minimize this window by pressing this down arrow icon on the top left corner. And the screen will be converted to a floating window, and you can place it wherever you want. Next module is Library. First option is Book List. Here you can see all the added books and you can add more books to the list. After clicking on Add Book, enter the book's title, its number, ISBN number, and all the information you want. Only book's title is main, other options are optional to fill. If you want to add multiple books, click on this Import Book option. Now you can download a sample CSV file from the top, and add all the books in that file. Then, upload this file in the box given below. Next option is Issue Return. Here you can issue return of the books, given by the students or teachers back to school. For that, just click on this right arrow icon. Then select the book and return date. And click on Save. The request will be saved in the list below. To confirm the request, click on the action icon in front of pending requests. Then, again check the return date, and save it. Next option is Add Student. Here you give library access to students. For that you have to search the students by their class and section. And in this list, you can click on this plus sign in front of every student's name, and then you have to assign them a library card number. And click on the Add button. The student will be added as a member. Similarly, you can add a staff member, in the Add Staff Member option. Now let's talk about the inventory section. Here the first option is Issue Item. Here you can issue items to any teacher, admins, etc. For that, click on this Issue Item option on the top. Here, select User Type. Then, issue it to the person you want. Also, select the person who is issuing this item, and issue date. And all other necessary options. After submitting it, the item will be issued to the desired person. Now go back, and you will see it in the Issued Items list. And whenever someone returns the item, you can click on this red Click to Return button, and click on Return. Next option is Add Item Stock. Here you can add item to the available stock. For that, select Item Category, Item, Quantity of the item, and the purchase price. Other options are optional for you to fill. After filling all the details, click on Save and the items will be added in the stock. If you want to add more items, more categories, stores, and suppliers, then other 4 options in the inventory will be useful. For example, that's how you can add any new item to the options. Using these features you can add more options, so that you will be able to add stocks according to your need. In the next video we will talk about other features. Thanks for watching.